always loved going fast. This year, I definitely needed to compete in a global time attack. There's something about building a race car that is more fulfilling than anything else on Earth. It's a race against the clock. The competition is strong. It's going to take a lot of work to win. But I know with the support of my team and the community, the trophy is definitely within my grasp. I'm so proud of what we've been able to put together. But at the end of the day, losing is not an option.